The great Stoic philosopher Epictetus once wisely said, "Be in the company of people who uplift and motivate you. Their very presence may help you reach your full potential." This timeless advice underscores the profound impact our companions can have on our character and well-being. As the ancient proverb goes, a man is known by the company he keeps, reminding us that the quality of our associations shapes our identity and destiny. Today, we embark on a journey through Stoic philosophy as we explore the 8 types of individuals that, as true Stoics, we should consider steering clear of. It's not an act of disdain, but a pursuit of inner peace and virtue. These insights will help us navigate the intricate web of human interactions, aligning ourselves with those who uplift and nurture our Stoic ideals. Prepare yourself, dear viewers, for a valuable exploration of Stoic wisdom and the art of choosing our company wisely. You might recognize some of these from your own experiences. 1. The complainer. We've all met that friend who seems to have a cloud over their head. This is the friend who always seems to have something to complain about. Whether it's the weather, work, or even the delicious meal you're enjoying, they find something to gripe about. This constant negativity is like attempting to navigate a vessel while holding a large, persistent anchor. Constant complaining, on the other hand, stems from dissatisfaction and a lack of acceptance. So, what's the Stoic solution here? It might be wise to limit your time with the complainer and encourage them to adopt a more Stoic outlook on life. 2. The Toxic Critic. We've all met that friend who can't resist pointing out flaws in everything. This friend specializes in criticism, often pointing out flaws and shortcomings in everything and everyone. They rarely see the good in people or situations. Stoicism reminds us to focus on self-improvement and the pursuit of wisdom. Constant criticism can be counterproductive and even harmful to our well-being. Consider discussing the Stoic idea of wisdom with the Toxic Critic and how it involves not just criticizing others, but seeking self-improvement and understanding. 3. The drama magnet. Moving on to the 3rd type, we have the drama magnet. This friend seems to attract and thrive on drama in their life. Whether it's personal conflicts, gossip, or unnecessary chaos, they're always in the middle of it. Stoicism emphasizes tranquility and inner peace. Constantly engaging in or attracting drama goes against this Stoic ideal of a calm and rational mind. Encourage your drama magnet friend to consider the Stoic principle of seeking inner peace and avoiding unnecessary external disturbances. 4. The constant competitor. Now, let's discuss the constant competitor. This friend sees life as a never-ending competition, always trying to one-up everyone around them, even their closest friends. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our own character and moral development rather than competing with others. Constant comparison and competition can lead to envy and resentment. Share Stoic wisdom about the importance of self-improvement and cooperation over unhealthy competition with your constant competitor friend. 5. The Over-Indulger. Our 5th type is the Over-Indulger. This friend often overindulges in various pleasures, whether it's food, drinks, or material possessions, to the point of excess. Stoicism advocates for moderation and self-control. Overindulgence can lead to the erosion of self-discipline and hinder one's pursuit of wisdom. Discuss with your overindulging friend the Stoic concept of moderation and how it can lead to a more balanced and virtuous life. 6. The Cynic. The Cynic always sees the glass as half empty. Their pessimism can be disheartening. It's like walking through life in a perpetual rainstorm. Stoicism encourages us to focus on virtue and acknowledge the inherent goodness in people. Cynicism can lead to distrust and hinder the development of meaningful relationships. Share the Stoic idea of acknowledging the goodness in others with your cynical friend and discuss how it can lead to more fulfilling friendships. 7. The Egoist. Moving on to the Egoist. This friend consistently prioritizes their own needs and desires over others, often displaying a lack of empathy and self-centered behavior. It can feel like you're a supporting character in their story. It's like trying to share a stage with a one-person show. In Stoicism, the solution is to encourage humility and remind them that relationships should be a give and take. Date the Gossip Monger. Last but not least, we have the Gossip Monger. The Gossip Monger thrives on the misfortunes of others. This friend is always eager to share and spread the latest gossip or rumors, often at the expense of others' reputations. Stoicism encourages us to speak only of what is true, necessary, and kind. Gossiping can lead to harm and unnecessary conflict. Share Stoic principles about mindful and responsible communication with your gossip-mongering friend, emphasizing the importance of speaking with integrity. So there you have it, our exploration of the 8 types of friends you should be aware of from a Stoic perspective. Remember, Stoicism encourages us to cultivate meaningful and virtuous friendships that help us on our path to wisdom. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca said, the secret is to surround yourself solely with positive people who inspire you and make you want to be your best self. In order to receive future videos on philosophy, self-improvement, and other related topics, please press the like button, share this one with your friends, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the future video.